day 5 in Tokyo. It's already 2 p.m. Ngayon lang kami lalabas. Tapos kaming 5 lang. Si Daddy nandun sa harapan. Ayan. Iiwan muna namin yung seniors ngayon sa bahay and the kids. They're actually tired already. Ayaw na nilang sumama mag-ikot. Total parang, diba, we're in Tokyo. So parang same lang naman yung mga itsura ng mga cities. Kaya hindi na namin sila sinama.
Where are we going?
So we plan to go
Wala pa
today
tayong
to
direction.
Harajuku. Google Maps, Harajuku.
Kaya-
Lunch muna. Red Rock. You want to do Red Rock today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Red Rock
So,
Harajuku.
Red Rock Harajuku. So that's where we're going for lunch. We haven't had lunch. Inasikaso muna namin yung mga iiwan. And actually, kaya kami tinanghali kasi nag-laundry silang lahat.
So, Zai.
So, weather today is 13 degrees. Tingnan natin kung tatagal ang aking sweater. Pero nakadalawang thermal ako sa loob actually. Kaya lang, ayan na, tinurtleneck ko na siya kasi malamig yung hangin. Anyway, we're already here at the train station. Magte-train muna kami.
Hello! So, kasama ko ngayon ang mga seniors natin. We're going to Harajuku. Bilisan niyo sumakay ng train, ha? Baka maipit, baka may maiwan.
Ganito yung normal pace ng lakad dapat dito sa Japan. Yung mga seniors natin nakasama. Hindi makahabol.
Sanay.
Kailangan wala na kaming kasamang seniors. Ang mabagal maglakad. Ayan, naiwanan kami ng train. Naiwan kami.
Again.
Again.
The second
Okay.
time.
We are now here in Harajuku.
Paano pala ulit?
Kaya nga.
Where are we?
Ikot, ay, ikot ba? Ikot ba? Ikot ba? Oh my
May
God!
Guzman E. Gomez dito. Kasi meron siya sa Melbourne. There's Guzman E. Gomez. Ito na pala si Takashita.
Oh yeah!
This is where we're
because we
going.
came from the JR line before.
Yeah. So here,
Ano lang?
the finger. Bad, bad cat. Bad cat. This will be our choice for today. Actually, gusto talaga siyang kainan ni George kasi kami lang ni Nabi yung nakakain dito sa Osaka. Hindi namin siya kasama. So, naiinggit siya, hindi niya na-try. It's here. At the basement. Yeah. Ayan yung menu nila. Pero yung bestseller nila supposedly si roast beef Dawn. It's that one. So we order again from the vendor. Nandito na kami. Pare-pareho lang kami ng order kasi out of stock naman lahat. Yun lang yung available. Tsaka 2 other rice bowls pa. Yung regular is 1,300 yen. Daddy got the large for 1,980 yen. Our food is here. May egg, raw egg, roast beef. Comparison ng regular order, 1,300 yen. And yung kay Daddy, large for 1,900 yen. Ano? Since you're the one who wants to eat here, how is it? Sulit? Masarap?
Kakaiba lang kasi raw yung egg,
Oh.
the meat is not as warm. Pero yung rice is very warm naman. So, kakaiba lang. Pero it's very good. So,
akala nila kanina hindi masarap.
Gusto kami kumain. Bihira ako makakaubos ng rice bowl. Naubos ko siya.
May meron ka pa.
We're already out. So again, Red Rock. It's down here at the basement sa Harajuku. Ang galing ng building nila, Daddy. Na earthquake. May crack. Ah. Pinag-uusapan namin yung flush kay Red Rock kasi ang hirap intindihin nung button. So si Daddy hindi niya nakita yung flush.
So, hindi siya nag-flash.
May arrow, hindi niya nakita. Pinukas ko talaga kung nasa nakaturo yung arrow. Ando naman, makikita mo naman kung anong button yun. Ah, malamig na.
And it's just 11 degrees.
Malamig.
We've had colder.
Yeah. Pero in fair, nakakaya ng aking sweater.
Pwede bang madrami?
Oo, busog pero hindi siya mabigat sa katawan. Parang may space ka pa for dessert. Pero hindi siya bitin.
Price, ha?
Oo, pero hindi siya bitin.
Pare-parehas tayo ng feeling.
We're walking naman to Takeshita. Tatawid. Papunta kaming Takeshita Street. Yeah, they wanna try the ice cream.
Ano flavor tayo?
600 yen for this Hokkaido ice cream. Try it.
Isa.
Wala pa. Excited siya. Ano?
Ang sarap.
Masarap?
100. Bali 200. Ilan yung sa ano?
Pero I like the vanilla.
Vanilla.
Masarap. Very creamy.
Milky.
Milky, creamy.
Name it.
They've got it.
100
600. Ang taga-compute.
228.
228. Dami ring tao. We found the sweet potato that I wanna try. The brulee here. Ayan o. Hindi namin siya nakain sa Asakusa kasi sobrang lamig. So, we will try it.
I got this one.
Oh, what? I thought this one the brulee.
I wanted the one with honey butter.
Okay, mali. We got the honey butter. We got the sweet potato with honey butter
Sarap yan.
for 680 yen. Yung gusto ko yung creme brulee.
600
Creme
parang-
brulee.
Wala.
Pinaka hindi ko gusto yung in-order niya, honey butter. Pero, masarap. Is the potato with the butter. Let's melt the butter. Hindi tayo kumain.
Silky thread, purple potato, and ice cream.
In fairness, masarap.
Worms.
This is the 1mm silk thread, purple potato and ice. Thank you. Ang cute! Ang ganda ng kulay.
Parang si green.
So nice. Tapos akala ko, pag nakikita ko yung mga vlog, ice cream din yung threads. It's the flavor pala. There's an ice cream inside.
Kamote and vanilla. Bagay.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Nakakapila sa kanya. Crepes. Lahat ng crepe na stores may pila. Ang hina. Dumaan na kami dito sa Muji kasi maganda daw to. So we'll try also. We haven't tried. This is the price. Ang mura lang niya dito. Pabalik na kami. It's 5 p.m. So, susunduin na namin yung mga seniors ulit sa hotel. So, we will try to go to Roppongi naman just to see the Christmas lights para may Christmas feels naman kami dito sa Japan. So, ang ginawa lang din namin sa Harajuku, kumain. Kahit saan kami magpunta, yun ang ginagawa namin. Kumain. So, kumain kami ng Red Rock. At least nakatikim kami nung ice cream, Hokkaido ice cream. Tapos yung sweet potato. So, okay na din. Bumili si ate nito, heat pack. Kasi curious siya kung paano siya ginagamit. So, susubukan natin kung effective. Tapos yung binili niya yung dinidikit sa clothes. So, ito siya. Ito siya.
Yan.
Remove the peel.
Huwag sa skin ha.
Wag daw sa skin. So, here. Oh, let's try. Tingnan natin kung effective. Kasi wala akong coat. Naka-sweater lang ako. So, tingnan natin. Eh, malamig ngayon. Dito kami sa baba ng Subway. Remember yung yakitori na kinuwento ko sa inyo yun sa may grocery? We can smell. I think it's that one. Ang bango. Hanggang dito sa baba na amoy namin barbecue.
Hanapin natin.
Hanapin, alam mo kung saan. Ibig sabihin nun, bibili siya. Bibili siya ulit ng barbecue. Ang bango. Sundan natin yung amoy ng barbecue. It's open. What are we buying? Are we buying now? We're buying barbecue. Our favorite. Which one? Sige,
Ito.
pili muna kami. So, eto na nga. Hindi kami nakatiis. Naamoy namin siya. Tapos naabutan nila kami. Nasundan din nila yung amoy. Naamoy niya rin daw sa subway. Tapos they followed it too. So we're all here eating again. So this is chicken skin. Pork diaphragm. Pork tongue.
Gusto ko na yung pork liver.
And this one is, this is chicken and leek. Kasi ang sarap niya. Ang sarap niya. We're back here na at the hotel. And while waiting for the others who are still upstairs, break muna kami ulit dito sa may restaurant sa lobby. Because they have free drink. So, imbis na mag-vendo kami, imbis na mag-Family Mart, mag-7-Eleven ng coffee, dito na lang kami kumukuha ng kape. So, sulit din. Yeah. This is open until 10 p.m. Pero kung sarado naman siya ng 10 p.m., may drip coffee din sila doon sa mga amenities. So, yun na lang din. Kumukuha na lang kami ng drip coffee, tapos nagtitimpla na lang kami sa room. So, tipid din ng mga 200 yen every day for coffee. Libre na yung kape namin. We're out again and kasama na namin ang buong grupo. We're going to Roppongi tonight. This is our last night here in Tokyo. Tomorrow we are moving to Osaka. We're already going out in Roppongi. Actually, hindi ko alam kung anong exit to. Dapat 1B. Pero dito kami na direct. Ang ganda na ng lights dito actually. Dito pa lang sa area na to. There! It's Christmassy already. Yeah! Nice. Ganda na ng lights dito. Look at the view here. We can see the Tokyo Tower na. There, oh. No, that's Tokyo Tower. Yeah.
I thought you said
Nice. we're going down the stairs. Oh, I think it's there. Ayun na yung mga lights. Nakita ko na yung mga puno-puno. There. Okay. I think we found it, but we have to go one more floor down. We're here. We found it. This is Roppongi Hillside pala. And this is, ayan! Keyakizaka Complex. Ang ganda ng light. Merry Christmas! Look! Ang daming tao. Observe natin sila kapag nag-go. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Tingnan mo, see, everyone's stopping in the middle.
Wow,
Just to take pictures. See, it's so funny. Ayan na, may nag-a-announce na. Tama na, tama na. Alis na, alis na. Nag-go na. Ayan, nag-go na. Amazing. Kami din magpapicture. Nakakaaliw lang. Antayin lang natin sila. Nagkakagulo sila mag-cross dun sa gitna. Ako lang din sila na tumatawid tas maghihintawan. Nakakaaliw lang. Pero ang ganda naman kasi ng shot. Ayan, ayan, ayan na. Nagkakagulo na naman sila. Okay. May nag-a-announce na. Go, go, go. Sabi. Ayun na, nagagalit na. Go na. Yun lang yun actually. Nakakaaliw lang siya. Pero makikigaya kami sa kanila. Wait lang ha. Makikigaya kami sa kanila. Wow. This is the garden. It's by Dior. There, ha? We're done here in Roppongi. Wala rin kami mahanap na kainan kasi parang mga high-end yung mga restaurants. Tapos actually they're more foreign like pizzas, pastas, mga ganon. Since we're in Japan, we don't want to eat those kinds of restaurants here. So babalik na lang kami sa hotel. May malapit na Matsuya sa amin, doon kami kakain. That's one of our favorite gyudon places also here in Japan. And it's open 24 hours, so doon kami. Ayan! Si Matsuya! Well, favorite namin siya, pero that was 7 years ago. So, hindi namin alam if it's still the same. It's here. Okay, nandito na kami sa Matsuya. So, ito yung... Ay? Nawala. We're ordering again from the vendor. Paying.
Eh, kuya.
So, ito yung ticket ni Kuya. Aantayin niya yung number niya dun sa TV. Yan. Yan. Tapos tatawagin yung number and then you will have your food. Okay? Sit down na beside Lolo Sito. Nandito na kami. We have our ticket. Nauna na sila. Hiwa-hiwalay kami. Nandun si Mama. Si Mama. Ayun sila sa kapila. This is the soup. I got the beef, rice, and salad. Tapos yung mga sauces nandito. Yakiniku. And dressing for the salad. Sarap na dito. Parang yung salad ng yari. Kamusta?
Perfect.
Yung beef, lagyan natin ng yakiniku. Sinabi, naglagay pa siya ng 7 spice. Is it good? With the spice? Is it spicy? It's not? Which one did you get? The regular lang. Sinabi ko ito large. Large na. Gutom na gutom na sila. I got lang the regular.
You know what beef did you get?
Just the regular. So yung kay Nabi, she got beef short rib. Masarap. Yung sa amin, grilled beef lang, normal. Anyway, ang daming tao nakakahiya. So, kain muna kami. Okay, we're done eating na from Matsuya. And so far, we still enjoyed our food. Medyo hindi lang ganun kalambot yung beef, pero masarap. Masarap pa rin siya. Tapos ang laki ng serving. Actually, hindi ko na naubos yung soup ko kasi ang dami. Ang dami nung jjigae. Tapos ang dami din ng rice kasi sa Vendo may mini rice pala. Hindi ko napansin. Napindot na ni Daddy yung regular rice. Nung nabasa ko yung mini. But anyway, it was still a good meal. My meal was 690 yen. Yung kay Nabi na large was 1,300 yen. And then we made a pit stop lang at 7-Eleven. Kasi for some reason, kahit na malamig dito, gusto namin mag-ice cream. Parati namin gusto bumili ng ice cream kasi ang sarap na ice cream nila. Okay. Anyway, we're on our way back to the hotel already. So this will end our day 5 here in Tokyo. This is our last night. Tomorrow we will be moving to Osaka through the bullet train. It's 10:30 p.m. So mag-aayos na lang kami sa hotel tonight. Ayan. So kahit na actually, just an update, kahit na gabi na lumabas yung mga seniors, napagod pa rin sila sa lakad. Kasi nga dito puro lakad. Ayan. Okay, so that's it. We'll see how they will like Osaka naman. Because, so of course, Tokyo is a different city vibe than Osaka. So that's it. Good night. See you in Osaka. Bye.